Are you looking for the best camera drone? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camera drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. XT606 Drone. The XT606 drone is a foldable quadcopter designed for aerial photography and recreational flying, featuring dual cameras, front and bottom, and support for high-resolution video capture, advertised for 8K in some variant listings. It includes optical flow positioning and obstacle avoidance to help stabilize flight and prevent collisions. The drone offers 5G, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi FPV connection to stream live video to your smartphone, and typically supports features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, gesture control, and waypoint path planning. Battery specifications vary by version, but many listings cite flight times of 16-18 minutes, with charging times 1.5 hours. Some versions also use brushless motors, foldable arms, and are compact enough to be portable. Overall, the XT606 aims to balance advanced features and usability for hobbyists, though real performance will depend heavily on build quality, firmware, and environmental conditions. Number 2. S175 Brushless Drone. The S175 Brushless Drone is a foldable quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts seeking portability and smart features. It comes equipped with dual cameras, front and bottom, supporting up to 4K resolution video, allowing for versatile shooting angles. It uses brushless motors for quieter, more efficient, and longer-lasting flight performance, and includes optical flow positioning and altitude hold for stable hovering without GPS. The drone also features obstacle avoidance capabilities, helping it navigate safely around hazards. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity and APP control, enabling real-time FPV, first-person view, streaming, flight path planning, trajectory mode, gesture photography, and remote control operations. With a battery capacity of around 1,800 mAh, the S175 can fly approximately 15 minutes per charge under ideal conditions. Its dimensions are compact when folded, 13.5 x 8 by 5.5 cm, and larger when deployed, 25.5 x 24.5 by 5.5 cm, and it weighs about 139 grams, making it light enough for carry and transport. Overall, the S175 blends modern features like dual camera output, obstacle detection, optical stabilization, and smart app control into a compact package ideal for recreational drone pilots. Number 3. JHD L200 Pro MAX Drone. The JHD L200 Pro MAX Drone is a professional-grade foldable quadcopter built for smooth aerial photography and intelligent flight control. It features powerful brushless motors, GPS positioning, and a 2-axis mechanical gimbal that ensures stable, shake-free 4K video recording. The drone also includes 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors, allowing it to automatically detect and avoid objects from all directions, making flights safer and more reliable. With 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, pilots can enjoy real-time HD video streaming over distances of up to 1.2 kilometers, while the control range extends to approximately 3 kilometers under optimal conditions. The 7.4 V156 mAh battery provides about 20 to 25 minutes of flight time, and the foldable, compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Advanced features such as auto return to home, follow me mode, waypoint flight, and optical flow positioning enhance usability and precision. Combining stable flight performance, smart controls, and stunning 4K imaging, the JHD L200 Pro MAX is an excellent choice for hobbyists and aerial photographers seeking a high-performance yet portable drone. Number 4. V156 MAX RC Drone. The V156 MAX RC Drone is a professional-grade foldable quadcopter built for smooth aerial photography and stable flight performance. It features dual HD cameras with up to 4K resolution, offering clear, wide-angle shots for both photos and videos. Powered by brushless motors, the drone delivers strong wind resistance, quiet operation, and longer lifespan compared to brushed models. It includes GPS positioning for precise navigation and automatic return to home in cases of low battery or signal loss. The obstacle avoidance system helps the drone detect and steer clear of obstacles for safer flights, while optical flow stabilization and EIS, electronic image stabilization, ensure steady footage. With smart flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Headless Mode, and Gesture Control, it provides intuitive control for beginners and professionals alike. The lightweight foldable design enhances portability, and its high-capacity battery delivers around 15 to 20 minutes of flight time per charge. Combining advanced features, strong stability, and high-resolution imaging, the V156 MAX is an excellent choice for users seeking an affordable yet capable aerial photography drone. Number 5. Xiaomi MIJIA V88 Drone. The Xiaomi MIJIA V88 drone is a high-performance foldable quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography and smooth, stable flight. Equipped with dual HD cameras capable of capturing stunning 8K ultra-clear video, it allows users to shoot from both front and downward angles for dynamic perspectives. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, ensuring fast, stable real-time image and video streaming even over long distances, advertised up to 15,000 meters under ideal conditions. Powered by brushless motors, it offers stronger wind resistance, quieter operation, and longer durability. Advanced features like GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and multidirectional obstacle avoidance provide enhanced flight safety and stability, while its intelligent gimbal system helps maintain smooth, vibration-free footage. The 2200 mAh battery delivers up to 25 to 35 minutes of flight time per charge. With additional smart modes including gesture control, waypoint flight, headless mode, and one-key return, the Xiaomi MIJIA V88 combines 8K image clarity, intelligent flight technology, and a portable foldable design, making it an ideal choice for creators and drone enthusiasts seeking professional-grade performance on the go.